Kani kedai Doodarshan Meghalaya ban ki pedang snobhaya phi baro shakathup kubar menta ka janmit shoban phaj ki kubar ki babnya ngine pechwai ki mat bokongsan Play ka President Kari ya ka Vivid Hata ka Amrit Mahotsav Harashtrapati Bhavan Minjur ka Kanhun Menteri ban Penlong An ya ka Meghalaya Building Bylaws 8,000 kuwe bat ka Shillong Urban Mobility Policy 8,000 saw La Penlong ya ka International Water Conclave ka Baningkong ha Shillong Pelat ka KHADC, ya ka Jingwai na kabenta ka Monolith Festival. Badrung semi-final ka Nikhat Zarin bag Arundhati Chowdhury ha ka Stranger Memorial Tournament ha Bulgaria. Ki khubor ki babnya ka President Jagari ka Draupadi Murmu ka play ka Vivid Hata ka Amrit Mahotsav Harashtrapati Bhavan hinne kasngi haba ajin kren hinne kasngi ka President kala ong ba shibon ki jing itnat ba pher ha ka Kolshor jongi la banyu I ka than chatai lammi ngi kalong ka basngu tanat ba ya ka benta ka Baningkong jong ka Vivid Hata ka Amrit Mahotsav lasdang da ka barakhi ha ka than chatai lammi ngi kala ong ba ka than chatai lammi ngi kala long ka jingkar khuling ba ki jing donjing em jong ka mei mariang ya ka Vivid Hata ka Amrit Mahotsav La Penlong Harashtrapati Bhavan ban rakhi ban pen I ka jingriu spa jong ka ri India kani ka Mahotsav ka pen I ka jing itnat ka jingriu spa jong ka jing tainam ki ba min barim bar ki kol sho jong ka jala Assam Arunachal Pradesh Nagaland Manipur Tripura Mizoram Meghalaya bar ka Sikkim ka Kanhun Menteri hine ka sngi kala minjur ban Penlong An ya ka Meghalaya Building Bylaws 8,000 phuwe na ka benta ban penne pensa halo ka jingkantiu ha ki jaka sor hapo ka jala haba pen pau ha kilat pathai khubor hadian balakut ka jingalang Kanhun Menteri rang ba ka jala konrat ki sangma ulong ba kini ki kendon ki bala Penlong An ki long kat kum ka jing batha da ka sarkar pedeng haba pen pau halor ka jing minjur ka Shillong Urban Mobility Policy 8,000 pusaw usang maul ong hakini ka kenta ka benta lala ban penyat kat kum ka jing batha juga sarkar pedeng na ka benta ban pentikna ba baro on pentrekam ha ka nong ba Shillong
the building opening permissions are not given if you don't the policy in place, so it gives us some kind of a vision and some kind of goals that we can come forward with. For example, we would like to go with a concept which we call 20-minute city. So this is a concept that is done in many parts of the country and the world where a particular neighborhood should be about 20 minutes where people should be able to move around their particular locality in the area and get majority of the services within 20 minutes. So this policy is basically a draft vision and a guideline as to what we would like to achieve. And to be able to achieve that, then there are many steps to be taken. So for example, to do that, then we have to maybe create some kind of low emission zones, low congestion zones, so on and so forth. So all those things will come out as we move forward.
Menteri rang ba ka jala konrat ki sangma menta ka sngi ula banjur shaphang ka jingdon kam bani mirjing mutlang hapo ka jala bat shabar ki ri halo ka jinglong jingban ka sin baneng bat ka mariang haba ai jingkran menteri rang ba ula ong ba ka jing thmu jong ka ni ka jingalang kalong ban pen ye kendu ye ka tanat ba pher jong ka sarkar bat kinong kit kam shnong ban ye kren halor ki mat bat om day ban shu pel jingmut tang ha ka jing pentri kam ki scheme lani ban pen dep ye ka thong hakani ka jingalang ka ba arsingi lenter la yeshim banta da economic mat na Thailand Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Cambodia, but Vietnam, ringkat kinong don benta na kaleng kiri ka perthai. Hakani ka program laidon lang Menteri Ketanat Water Resource uba coming one Embon ka menteri ka tenat kokoi ka khia ka kong Amrin Lingdo menteri ka tenat fisheries berkiwe uba AL Hek ber ka secretary jong ka tenat Jal Shakti ka Sarkar India ka Debashri Mukherjee.
What really the goal is. So number one, the objective of this actual conference and the conclave is to bring everybody together, department-wise, throughout state governments, throughout different organizations, throughout society, to realize that we need to keep our eye on the ball. And we need to address the issues and not just focus on scheme implementation or completion of certain targets. And hence, a holistic approach is required. We need to realize that there is a larger objective to what individually every department is doing, and we need to talk to each other.
Ka Sarkar Jala kala panjingirap na ka Sarkar pedeng na ka bentaban penkhoi ki katu at niya kiwa barki wa duat ki badan hanong ba shalong barkumjo ki bai ki benta ki badan hapo ka jala haba aijing kren ha ka International Water Conclave ka ba hene ka sngi ha kotiat umentri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ki sang mau laong bandalor ka Jal Jeevan Mission na ka benta ki nong kendong ka jala kala kendu jing ha ka bayadei ber ka jing pentuat ya ka ha ka nong ba Uloong baka Sarkar kelawan ra bante lakam hapdeng ke yok kakot jong ki brio kum ju banwan ra ka jing penek pensa ha kamariang ki wa duat badru ki wa
As mentioned by Dr. Shakil and also by our secretary, we all know that the kind of water issues that we're facing today, in the next 10 to 15 years, if necessary steps are not taken today, we'll be facing much more larger scale of problem, and more importantly, maybe too late for us to then start the work to mitigate those particular problems that we have. And hence, this particular water conclave. Today we are over 70%, almost touching 75%. And we expect that we should be able to cross 90% plus when it comes to the Jal Jeevan and the functional tap connections at the household level.
Ka KHADC hene ka sngi kala palat ya ka jingwai na ka benta ka Tamasa Monolith Festival ka balai sngi ka banlong ha ka Khasi Heritage Village ka bahamau plang na do ka arpu artarik hado ka arpu sautarik mentau benai. Hakani ka sngi Deputy CM iba pinsngan NCM ila play ya ka jing penipaj ba hasurok na ka benta ka te ka Tamasa. Kakali kan yat keleng ki benta jong ka Khasi Hills na ka benta ban penpau ban pensyai paj ba ha ka bayadei ba ka te ka Tamasa. Habat penpau hikilat pathai kubor ibas ila ong bakini ka Tamasa kan long ka bakapher na ka bala penlong hakis nam balala tikumta la khot sngob haya baro ki san pulait ligi hima shakani ka Tamasa
bakani kan compare shibun menta indan bun ki items pada juri ka shat ka wai ka siau ka bam pen na khadu ye ki katu kanina garehs ba kin yo ban ki traditional jongki ba kum juru ki food items ki jongki kum juru ya ka janjikan dise council la khod lang ki ru bakin yo ban bo ha stol ki jongki ye ki dimulon tendai jongki ki mar tendai ki jongki
ka Sarkar kelapan benai ka khusnam ka bahedu na ka benta ki riu paj ba ya ka balatip kum ka Bharat Ratna Shau Menteri Rang Badu Berim UPV Narasim Harau U Chaudhry Charan Singh berukpa jong ka Green Revolution Dr. MS Swaminathan henegasngi ya ka ni lapan benado Menteri Rang Badu ka Ri Narendra Modi hapo social media haba penpau halor ka ni ka jing penbena Menteri Rang Badu ka Ri Modi ulaong ba UPV Narasim Harau ulalongkum uriu kharau bat uriu shampang ulala ban ajing shakri ya ka ri hi baro haki baro kiliang Ulaong ba ulalong unong yalam ubakong san na kabentaban kantiw haka yok kakot bat ban penriu spa haka rihi barok kaway. Kakertong jong kaseng NPP Naka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Mezal Amrin Lingdo ilapelong ya kajingelang yalap election haka sien ka baar barkinong tre jong kaseng NPP jong ka Jowai Constituency halat thalabo indoor halls hinin kasngi Lasan ran lang ya da menteri rangba iba sniaw bahlang dhar kumju state working president jongka seng NPP iba Hamletson Darling WMLA ke jawai ubalong state working president jongka NPP iba Wailat Miki Shilla lembat kiwe haba ajing kren ikong lingdo ila kentu ikinong shnong jongka jawai constituency bekende tap vote naga benta jong i Kaluk Sabha kalai merjimut halor ka white paper ha ka bayadai ka yo ka kot jongkari baka jingta ha ka rukom em jongkinong shnong ha pokari ka menteri ketanat platingka ka Nirmala Sitharaman kalawan ra ka white paper ha ka yeng Lok Sabha hine kasngi UNK Prema Chandran jongka RSP bat unong yalam ka seng TMC usogata re ula yeng persha halor ka white paper ha ka jingpen pau jongka ka menteri ketanat platingka kalaong bahadian chiposnem balakan tiaw ka yo ka kot jongkari bat menta ka don ha ka thup ka basan ya ka white paper lawan ra da ka sarkar kalaong baya kini kamat lawan ra khnang baya ka jingbu la penshisha ha ka baya dei bat ka yo ka kon ka Israel ka ther bom ya ka Gaza hene ka sngi hakikinta hadian bo president ka US Joe Biden ulakan tho halor ka jing Yemen ka jingjia men ha ka neutre urisau ka jingsha thombor ka Israel ha ka ken hun keng atiar ha Palestine balakli de ki Hamas Kishi pa Israel kila ayay beteng ban ther bom hadian ka jingkren ban sangya asiat kamlong ka basaiso hadian bo menteri rang badu u Benjamin Netanyahu ula kentat ya ka jingterwa ban pelat no ya ki blasha rabor ha ka tika ken hun king atiar tikumta ka United States klak milanti ban sangya ka jingya kun hashwa ba ka Israel kan bangem ban ther bom ya ka nong ba jong ka rafa ka badan hadu R.9 million kinong shnong ki blashong dara hajan khaput bar ka Egypt Kala adu ha ka perthai ka nikhat zarin bat ka Arundhati Chowdhury kila jam shaka semi final ha ka limpung ka 75th Stranger Memorial Tournament ha Sofia Bulgaria ha ka jing khun quarter final ka baningkong ka nikhat kala la ban penlim ya ka Khadiri Wasila ka bana France ha ka jing khia ka basan pho kilo da san danot ka nikhat ka ne khun persha ya ka Zlatis Lava Chukanova nakari Bulgaria ha ka semi final Katba ka Arundhati Chowdhury kalala ban penlim no ya ka Matovic Milena na Serbia ha ka jingkhia ka ba 100 kilo da ka jing job ka basan lanon tekumta ka Arundhati Chowdhury ka ni khun persha ya ka Tribelova na Slovakia ha ka semi final ya kini ki jing khun semi final on penlong la shai ka ski mintapat ngin pe ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ha shlong Kajing shit kalong kat saw 0.0 degrees Celsius, ba kajing kreat kalong lai 0.1 degrees Celsius. Kajing skam kahaw kalong hinyo pun riu na kashis pa min step bat san pun riu na kashis pa janmin. Kasing beneng kan rukyang bat kala bandum loo hakikat tu kanegi benta. Shua ban pai shige bakut jeng ketup kubor ngini pet biang sai shisiani kimat bakong san. Liya ka Presiden ka ri ya ka Vivid Hata ka Amrit Mahotsav Harashtrapati Bhavan Minjur ka kanhun menteri ban pelong an ya ka Meghalaya building bylaws 8000 akuwe ba ka Shillong urban mobility policy 8000 akusaw La pelong ya ka international water conclave ka baningkong ha Shillong Pelat ka KHADC ya ka jingwai na ka beta ka Monolith Festival Barrung semi-final ka nikhat zarin ba ka Arundhati Chowdhury ha ka Stranger Memorial Tournament ha Bulgaria Ti perlok atu ngila poi shika bakut jong ka thup khobor jongi menta ka janmiet hadu bangine shambyang bat phila shai ka sngi khuble phi baro